Yeah, I'm having the bad flu. Definitely have some sinus drainage. I don't know what is going on. Yeah, so, okay, here's what I wanted to do for today's video. Just kind of discuss like foolishness. I'm always discussing foolishness. No, well, I just kind of want to go through the extent of the foolishness. Got a new beauty blender. Let's wet it up. Alright, I'm back. Big up to my friend Tiffany, who got me a really cute birthday, Christmas present. So before I even go into, the new year and expectations for the new year, we all had a really good Christmas. We've all managed to keep safe from the big C. Well, I'm suspect right now. No, sorry, not the big C. The medium-sized C, if you know what I mean.
Yeah, boy.
The kids had a great Christmas, and I want to try and keep them as grounded as possible. Because, of course, yes, I could buy them every single thing under the sun that they want. Well, not me, my husband. But I don't want that to be the case. You know what I mean? So I try to limit the amount of presents that they got, knowing that the tree may not look super full and super fabulous like, what you see on Instagram, because there will be other people buying them gifts too. So I kind of I want them to appreciate what they have. So what we do is right before Christmas is I clear out the playroom. Any toys that are broken, any toys that you don't use anymore, any toys that you don't like, we put them into piles, the throwaway pile, the giveaway pile. Yeah, that's all the piles. To make space for the new toys. I try to keep my playroom as nice and tidy as possible. And how I can do that is by moving the old toys out to put new toys in. So, it just keeps them, that the toys that they've chosen to have out, that they're interested in them, that they want to play with them. And, I just find that when you have too much stuff all over the place. Oh, so the concealer and the foundation that I'm using today is Too Faced Born This Way. I just find that they work really, really well together. Well, it's the same brand, so of course they'll work well together. And I went down a color to a more yellow color, so it doesn't look... Remember when I was doing the videos and you guys were like, oh, something looks wrong with your face. It looks too red, it looks too yellow, it looks too this. So yeah, I realized I don't have a tan, so I just went a couple of shades lighter. Anyway, I want to just make sure that they're appreciative of what they have, that they're going to play with and keep interacting with the toys that are out, that they're interested in them. So I just try to shift them up. Christmas Day, I don't have them open everything in terms of boxes. So they'll open and see, and if there's doubles of anything, or if there's toys where I see that they're a little bit advanced, what I'll do is I'll keep them in the garage, and every month or so, I'll bring out a few new toys. So not everything Christmas Day is opened and played with. Because then you'll have like 100 new toys out. Everybody's played. Things are going to get lost. You're all excited. Christmas Day, the kids are all excited. And then you end up like losing pieces, or, they don't want to play with this anymore because they don't play with it already, or they have this to play with. So I rotate the toys, and yeah, that's a good word. I rotate the toys and I don't have them open every single box on Christmas Day. So there's still a few toys for them to open and play with that they'll get, maybe next month or so. They don't need anything right now. One of the projects that I want to take on for this month is I do want to reorganize and tidy the playroom. So I just want to go through again the toys. I want to go through and sanitize them. The last time I went through and individually wiped off and sanitized everything was probably a few weeks ago. So I just want to do that and get to the bottom of the toy box. I want to try and get to the bottom of the toy box and just do a detailed go through to see. Levi, you can't be in the video, you're naked. Can you go and finish your bath, please?
Mommy, I would say that they're trying to trouble me.
Nobody's trying to trouble you, Levi. Go and finish getting ready. So yeah, I'm going to tackle the playroom just to organize it some more. I got a really nice from my sister and my brother-in-law. They gave me a nice calendar so I can write down what's happening for the month. I want to mount that. I want to hang that up. I got myself a new... It's not electric, it's a handheld drill. So being able to do the little chores around the house is so much easier. Just because I don't have to back out the extension cord, take out my drill box, which is heavy and falling apart. And one of the bigger things I'm going to be doing this year is reducing the amount of screen time in my house. Screen time for me, screen time for Sean, screen time for the kids especially. So right now, Levi only gets his iPad on Saturday and Sunday. And then on Sunday, at about 5 o'clock, when we come home from Nana and Papa's, I take his iPad from him. Remy, her restriction is no iPad in the morning. So, what the hell am I patting? I'm just like, Papa, let me see if you Google check. Yeah, so Remy only gets her iPad in the morning. sorry, Remy only gets her iPad once she comes home from school, but she gets it every day. And I do see where there is a behavioral problem with both kids. They're just, yes, I know, they're just being kids, but I think that they're being exposed to too much screen time. I'm just gonna put like actually this is a Benyai banana powder. I've had this for so long. I'm gonna use this to catch any fall down that goes from my eyeshadow. And if anybody's noticed, I am wearing my favorite shirt today, and I am going to go through my drawers in January and just go through again what I need to get rid of, what doesn't fit me, all of that. And I'm gonna stop shopping so much. I have not a place going, I have nowhere going, and I am just buying. What may I buy for? I don't know. Alright. While I gather my thoughts and the children are shouting, I'm just going to do my eyes. BRB. Okay, so I did just a really, really simple eyeshadow, like you can barely see any color, because I want to try this eyeliner. I see Nikki tutorials do it all the time. Alright, let's see what I can do. Wait, well, one eye looks completely different. Oh no, it doesn't. I don't know. I don't think this style is for me. Anyway, let's try and work with it. So another goal I want to accomplish for January. You know, when people say, "Oh, new year, new me," I don't know. I think that's so reaching. You know, like I guess how much new of a person do I need to be? Like what the old me was terrible. You know, like, I think there's definitely improvements that I can make, but it won't be like a new me. There's some short-term goals that I'd like to accomplish, which mostly have to do with cleaning. You know, I would like to get the sky roof cleaned, and that just seems like such a big job, but I want to try and accomplish that this year for sure. Or, you know, all right, let's say for January. Because if I say for this year, I'm going to keep putting it off. So I want to do like, oh, sorry, the powder. It's powder. It's the powder. It's the powder. Or the medium C. I don't want to say goals for this year, and then when February comes, I'm like, yeah, you know, I can do it in March. When March comes, I'm like, yeah, but it's still this year, so I can put it up. I'd like to do my goals for January. So for January, I'm going to be a little bit strict on the kids with screen time. For January, I'm going to get the sky roof cleaned. And when I say get the sky roof cleaned, it means do it myself. I want to clean and organize the playroom. Yeah, so I'm going to leave that for January right now. Tracy says I'd be really good at doing like a vision board, but I don't know, because I would I consider myself a perfectionist? I'd want my vision board to look really good. Like my vision board have to look good, like cut out pictures neatly or whatever it is, a vision board. My vision board would look like. That wasn't a fart, that was a chair. This, I don't know what this makeup look, you know. I don't know what this at all. This is not looking as cool as the photo. Yes, I'm gonna be doing those things for January. And I think like a really good way to get things done is to break up your chores. So instead of looking at things for the year, I'm looking at things for January, what I want to accomplish in January. Because when I look at the big scheme of things, like I kind of get a little intimidated, and I'll be like, you know what, I can't bother. So for me, I'm just going to attack them little by little, and for the month of January. And like in terms of personal goals, I haven't really thought about that. If my house is clean and my kids are happy, I'm happy, you know? And my husband too. My husband is happy, then I'm happy. He loves the Christmas gift that I got him. He said to me that it was the best gift I've ever gotten him. So I got him an electric bike, an electric bicycle, and it goes really fast. Like he actually rode to his friend's house the other day, and it was so funny because he was on the main road going to his friend's house, and people were like shocked to first of all see Sean Paul riding on a bike. It looks like a bicycle, but I'm gonna post a picture of it. So it was kind of odd, like in Christmas time, to see Sean Paul rolling around on a bicycle down Constant Spring Road. You know, you usually expect to see like the big artists them in their new vehicle for the Christmas. Sean was on his bicycle. He more than likely had a rag on his head too. For his birthday, which is coming up next week, I need to wrap his presents, and one of them is still yet to come, but I think it will be on the flight tomorrow. No man, this runny nose. I think I need to do another test. think maybe I just need some clarity. Testing should be free. You know what I mean? Like, honestly, you kind of just want that peace of mind, but then you're like, oh, $6,500. And I just did a test not last night, the night before, when I came back from holiday. We stayed at we were in Portland. We stayed at Goblin Hill, and yeah, we just had time with family and close friends. Tracy got the villa right beside us, and we opened up the doors. I don't know how I'm doing with this makeup look, because I don't know about this at all. I'm glad I tried this today and not like, oh, heading out on the town. Not that I head out on the town, but maybe this look is just not for you. Maybe it's just not for you. Okay, personal. Is this a personal goal? So personally, this year, I'm going to be spending a lot of time. Okay, not that much. No, look at me though. I look evil. I'm going to save my energy. And instead of replying so much to people online, I'm just going to block them. I'm going to reply to them in their inbox instead of so where everybody can see. Like a joke. I don't do that. All right. How this look now? I'm not a fan. All right, let's finish the makeup look. It's a very sleek cat eye. All right, you know what? I think we're gonna have to test. This is too much. All right. See the booger just running down like the river Jordan. I waste the money on this test, yeah, man. Oh, all right. Yeah, this is happening now. So. Oh. Lots going on in the closet today, including testing. Oh, dear God, man. Like my nose was running before. It's going to be even worse now, sticking that thing up my nose. River Jordan, come down. River Jordan. I definitely need to take a Claritin or something. This is very uncomfortable. Alright, wait 30 minutes. So while I'm waiting, I'm going to just dust off the powder on my eyes. Alright, and then I'm going to just put some powder all over my face. Ew, this needs to get out the way. I've been very lucky that me and my immediate family, because you know what? I have not been affected directly from COVID. So I haven't had COVID. Nobody in my immediate family or my immediate circle has had COVID. And I'm very thankful for that, and I'm very lucky. And sometimes I just have to kind of sit back and remind myself that because I have not had a loss from COVID or somebody in my immediate family seriously impacted by COVID, I just have to remind myself of that and just tighten up the reins sometimes, because sometimes I might just take that for granted and just be like, oh, let's do this or let's do that, or come home and, don't bathe right away, or, you know what I mean? Go in the car and maybe like eat bubble gum before I sanitize my hands. And all the time I have to kind of just catch myself, I am very lucky, and I do thank God that, that I haven't been impacted from COVID, because so many people have been. Like waiting on a pregnancy test. This is like some serious PSPD. What do you call it? PSDD? PS post-traumatic syndrome. Jeez, man. No, man, this is very uncomfortable. Who wants to have their... This is how Tracy feels all the time. Oh my God. Negative bitches. So the line is still forming, but when you have the one line at the top, that means negative. I'm still gonna wait a little bit longer. Let me make sure that is negative. Hold on, how the picture look again? Hello? Where's the picture? How does negative look versus... Okay. So negative is, yeah, just so one line. Oh. Positive is 2 lines, negative is 1 line at the top. Invalid is, okay. A friend of mine brought down these tests. These are the same tests that one of the companies use out here to test people who go there. I got a couple at home just for something like this. Like my nose is running and I don't want anybody to be like, look, Jodi doing her makeup and her kids around her house and she have COVID. She's a booger, 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 just a run, run, run. She definitely has COVID, you know. You see all these uptown people have sit down in them closets, they put on their makeup and preach to people about this one will get COVID and that one will get, thank God COVID didn't touch me. And see the COVID is a run down our nose.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
All right, let me fix up my eyes because honestly, I don't know. Oh, hold on. Drop a like if you know Nikki Tutorials. She does this kind of eyeliner, something similar to this because she has very hooded eyes and she thinks doing this style will help her, and it does. It looks really good on Nikki Tutorials, but I'm not really. If you just joined, I'm sniffling because I've don't play that. I'm sniffling because I have the sniffles. See the line there? Bright as day. Negative. Big up to everybody in the healthcare industry. I appreciate you. I love you. I thank you very much for your hard efforts because I know that you're very strained during this pandemic. So thank you for all of your hard work. Yeah, okay. I don't need to wait any longer. There's no second line forming at all. There we go. The top line, when you have one line there, it means negative. So I'm just gonna leave this up here. I want to wait till the end of the 20 minutes fine because you know COVID may develop on the second line randomly. You just saw how the test was done. That was so random, eh? Drop a watermelon if that was the most random thing that you've seen today. Jodi just did a COVID test on you. So you get a packet with the one and you just 5 seconds. There's some places that have gone to the test where they just do one nostril. This pack, they said you do both. So you just stick it about halfway up. I just do it till it tickles my brain because my brain needs tickling. Tickle. Then you dip it in a solution. Shake it around, shake out all the booger in the solution that's in this. There's a little solution here. Pull it off from the white top. Then just do a random shake of the booger. Then you take out the dropper top, drop it into the testing pad. 3 drops. I should have my own testing facility and I would charge everybody only the cost of the testing things. I bought this new brow gel. I'm not too sure this wand looks pretty intense. So I'm gonna try to fix up the eyes, see if it can, you know. I don't love this brow gel. I'm gonna have to go to MAC. I usually buy a MAC brow gel. What is this? What is this? Anastasia Beverly Hills? You could have brand little more, and I like it. Oh, but my brow pen is Anastasia Beverly Hills and I like it. I'm gonna do my eyebrows and my lashes and I'll be back. All right, everybody. So I have finished my makeup for the most part. And I'm now going to use this Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Finish to just, it helps to minimize pores. It just helps me to stay matte a little longer. And I just put this over everything. When you saw it first, the primer that I was using, the one size, the reason why I use this is because I heard it worked so well with the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray. And I've been using this for a little while. And I hear it's really good for oily skin. So since my Urban Decay finished, I've been using that. So I bought a new primer as well. So, all right, let's see. Lips, lip slaps. I feel like with this dark eye, you know what? It's not bad. Maybe if I put on lashes, it would look, it's not bad. It's just, it doesn't suit me. What color should I go with? You know, if I want to go dark, let's just go dark. Let's just do it. Let's do it. Let's do it. This is a matte MAC Retro Matte Liquid Lip Color in High Drama. The darker the lip. Oh, okay, girl. Okay, you heading out. Out. Okay. Ooh. Growing on me. The darker the lip color, you have to make sure you get it perfect. Okay, just highlight every little mistake you make. I think I need to do a second coat of this. And then for the hair now. So I've been using this curl cream called Curl Rock in my hair for years. But I don't know if it's like my hair has changed or my pH or the length. I don't know, but it's not working as well as it used to for me. It's very crispy. And when I'm shampooing and combing out my hair in the shower, it just doesn't feel nice and smooth. So I'm actually going to start using something else in my hair, but until I find out something else, I gotta work with my curls up. So when I wash my hair, I put products in my hair. So I'm just using a water bottle with water and just reactivating all of that product to kind of gloss over the curls again. And especially putting on makeup and stuff, just making sure that the hairline is not cakey and powdery. Okay. She's cute. She's cute. This is a very like, this black eye with the, you know, the heavy on the darkness and the heavy dark lip. Very evening, you know. Burp. Okay. Alright guys, that's it for my YouTube video. Thank you so much for joining me with this light chit chat. You know, the first video for January, the first video for 2022. I hope you guys have a wonderful new year. Take things slow. Just set your goals for immediate goals. Don't worry with the big stuff for now. And you know, I think that you'll feel better once you start checking off those little things, you know, and then you work your way up to the big things. That's how I'm going to be doing it, you know, just taking it one step at a time. Little things first, working gradually all the way to the big things. And I don't think this eye is for me. I'm not going to be doing that. Is that little kick up at the side right there? A little kick? It's not for me. It's not for me. It's not for me. But other than that, good God. All right, everybody, thank you so much. And thank you for watching my video. Bye. Hey!